So if you are considering getting these bars, then this is the video for you. I've had these bars, been eating these bars for a couple of years, and I think they're really nice. The value pack is great as well, family pack, because you get 20 bars and obviously you get the different flavors as well. So it's really cost effective. These bars are great for like going hiking, that kind of thing, doing sport. You can put them in your bag, put them in your pocket. But yeah, they are really tasty. They're whole grain as well, so they're a lot healthier than other snacks that you can get. So yeah, I just think they're nice, really. So yeah, if you're thinking about considering them, I would just say check them out. You might not like them, but I really like them. So yeah, it's worth trying them out.